Ahunmo. This is a very rare Oriki, but it is also very meaningful and deep. The word hun means to walk majestically. It means to swagger slowly, to walk with pride. And it can also be used to mean to dance, to bodily express yourself in a way that makes obvious the fact that you are grateful and proud. And the word mo means to do something with or to join something to. Ahunmo is therefore the child towards whom people shall dance welcomely. Ọmọ tí a ó hun mọ́. That Oriki is also spelled like this. Ọmọ tí a ó máa hun mọ́. Ọmọ tá ó máa yọ̀ mọ́. People shall dance towards this child. People shall rejoice with this child. That is the meaning of the Oriki. Ahunmo, Wàá Ṣere.